A single human sneeze rockets droplets at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, turning a simple issue into a high-speed cloud of microscopic mysteries. Each droplet, invisible to the naked eye, carries its own microscopic universe, with bacteria and viruses hitching a ride in an intricate dance of biology. As these droplets spread through the air, they weave a tapestry of unseen connections, telling stories of where we've been and what we've encountered. In just a fraction of a second, a sneeze can paint the air with a history of the human body's secret interactions with the world. Imagine the journey these droplets take, from their explosive release to their silent descent, each one a tiny messenger of the complex tapestry of life. Sneezing isn't just an involuntary reflex, it's a breathtaking spectacle of nature's invisible art, revealing hidden tales in the blink of an eye.